Chocolate begins its life far from factories, in the heart of tropical regions near the equator. Here, cacao trees grow slowly under the protection of taller plants, enjoying warm temperatures, rich soil, and gentle rainfall. These trees need patience, sometimes taking several years before producing their first fruit. Unlike most fruit, cacao pods grow directly from the trunk of the tree. Farmers inspect each pod by hand, waiting for the perfect moment to harvest. Only ripe pods are selected, ensuring the best possible flavor.
Here we have the fresh white cocoa beans, still covered in their sweet, protective pulp. These are the foundation of all fine chocolate.
After fermentation, the beans are spread under the sun to dry. They are turned regularly to remove moisture. When drying is complete, the beans are packed into sacks and transported across the world. From farms to factories, their quality is carefully preserved. These sacks travel from farms to ports, then onward to chocolate-producing countries. Throughout this journey, the quality of the beans must be preserved. Temperature, humidity, and handling all matter, because even small changes can affect flavor. When the cacao beans finally arrive at chocolate factories, they carry with them the story of their origin. Each batch reflects the land, climate, and care involved in its growth. Before any processing begins, the beans are carefully inspected to ensure only the best move forward. At this point, cacao is still raw and unrefined. Yet within these humble beans lies the potential for smooth textures, deep aromas, and comforting sweetness. Every stage so far has prepared the beans for what comes next. The journey of chocolate is not fast. It is built on patience, tradition, and respect for nature. From shaded cacao farms to drying fields under the sun, each step shapes the final taste.
Very pure. Here at the intake zone, the journey truly begins. We carefully pour the free harvested beans into these lacks.
Long before machines, molds, and wrappers, chocolate is shaped by hands, climate, and time. And this careful beginning is what gives chocolate its soul.